So have you been paying attention to Tron, or have you let the negative rep around Tron kind of turn you away from looking at it? Well, let me know down in the comment section. Well, in today's video, we're going to be diving into two pieces of news regarding the Tron blockchain. The first one is Tron announced they have now collaborated with a new government, which is Suriname, which is a small country in South America. And then secondly, we are going to be talking about the new decentralized USDD stablecoin, which is now live and is also available through Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain through the BitTorrent chain. And so we're going to be looking at some of the details as well regarding that. Now, before we jump into it, let me take a brief second to talk to you about one of the partners on the channel, which you already know, Crypto.com, one of the fastest growing exchanges in the space today. Now, Crypto.com allows you to buy and sell over 250 plus cryptocurrencies using your bank, credit, or debit card. Now, it doesn't stop there. They also allow you to earn passive income up to 14.5% on different cryptocurrencies and up to 10% on stablecoins. If you are into NFTs, this is their NFT, top collections that they currently have. And UFC 274 is this weekend, which I will actually be attending. Here are some of the different top creators and top collectibles. You can also check out the top collections on the Chronos ecosystem. This is showing briefly the top 10 by volume and collection value. So if you'd like to check out Crypto.com, there will be a link in the description below, and the promo code is Mike. But now let's go ahead and jump into the two pieces of news that we're going to be diving into today. Tron's new collaboration with the Suriname government, and then also their new decentralized stablecoin, USDD. Let's check it out right after this. Welcome back to the channel, Future Millionaires. I'm Mike the Investor. Now, if you look at the Crypto Times headline, it says Tron plans to introduce its blockchain ecosystem in Suriname. Now, the Surinamese government will collaborate with Tron Network on blockchain technology and potential use cases. This came out May 5th, which was yesterday. Now, as you can see, it says delegates from Tron Network approached the president of Suriname on April 28th to collaborate on promoting blockchain technology in the country. Now, it goes on to say that Tron is one of the leading blockchain platforms with over 90 million users and hosts the largest USDT stablecoin circulation with nearly 42 billion, which I think will slowly start to transfer into the USDD stablecoin. Now, as it goes on to say, the Suriname president has assigned the Ministry of Foreign Affairs International Corporation, known as the BIBIS, in international business, the responsibility of developing structures for cooperation with Tron. Now, consequently, the Surinamese government will collaborate with Tron Network on blockchain technology and potential use cases in Suriname. Now, the Tron Power mission will proceed throughout the CARICOM region to raise awareness of disruptive blockchain technology and explore investment possibilities. Now, if we just briefly go to a little bit of history here, we can see that Suriname is a country located on the northern coast of South America, and Suriname is one of the smallest countries in South America, yet its population is one of the most ethical, diverse in the region. And so if you look here at the population, according to 2021 estimates, 613,900, so just under 614,000 people. So definitely a smaller country for sure. And here's just some of the pictures here, just to kind of show you where it is located. It is in the continent South America. Of course, here you can see Brazil, and then you have Suriname right there off the coast waters. So as we can see, I do think this is big for Tron, definitely giving it more exposure, more utility, and more use case, and just giving it more adoption as a whole, because I think we're going to see, more of these things happen when it comes to smaller countries compared to seeing it in some of the more dominant countries like the US and others. And so I definitely think this is a big thing for Tron. I also think it is bullish long term for Tron as well. Not saying we're just going to see immediate price action from this, but I also think this is just something, to kind of add to their, milestone to say, hey, we've been able to do this, and this is going to be good for us long term to be able to offer our services to a whole country, which they have, that first mover advantage on. And so now let's dive into the second piece, which is talking about the USDD stablecoin. And if we briefly look here from the statement from the Tron DAO, you can see USDD on Tron has officially launched and entered into circulation. It is also available on Ethereum, BNB chain, and through the BitTorrent chain cross-chain protocol. Now, one thing I do want to say, yes, this is going to be beneficial for BitTorrent as well. However, that doesn't mean we're just going to see an immediate price movement to the upside. Long term, this is good for the project, so I just want to make that clear. Now, if we head over to the Block article here, which came out May 5th. Now, the headline says Tron's new algorithmic stablecoin USDD goes live. So let's look at some of the details of what's going on. And so the stablecoin, which is similar in almost every way to Terra's UST stablecoin, is designed to incentivize arbitrageurs to keep its price closely pegged to that of the US dollar through trading between the TRX, Tron's token, and USDD. Now, like Terra, Tron has also signaled its intent to establish a reserve of 10 billion in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to support the new stablecoin. So according to their statement April 21st, the stablecoin will be available on Ethereum, BNB chain via the BitTorrent network's cross-chain, which we took a look at on that Twitter statement. Now, let's look at if it all fails, how they have this set up. So a decentralized autonomous organization known as a DAO named Tron DAO will manage USDD. Tron DAO will administer a reserve with a 30% interest rate according to their April 21st announcement. Now, it will also oversee an effort to amass 10 billion in Bitcoin and other decentralized cryptocurrencies for proposed reserve. Now, the idea of all of this is that these reserves will step to help preserve their respective stablecoin pegs should a sudden crypto market slump cause the algorithmic method to fail. And this is why they have those reserves in funds. And so, as it goes on to say, the number one priority is just to stabilize the USDD, said Justin Sun. We want to keep USDD stable and win people's trust, end of quote. Now, the last highlighted section here says Justin Sun said Tron will collaborate with institutional investors, mainly crypto exchanges and venture capitalists, to get USDD reserves off the ground. Although he did name them, Tron DAO will also contribute TRX, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other established stablecoins to the reserve. And so this first sentence right here lets you know that they're also going after big money to be, institutional investors into the USDD stable coin. And if we briefly look at CoinGecko here, I'm going to hit the refresh. And we can see the current market cap is about 126.5 million currently, and they are trying to get 10 billion in reserves. That would definitely raise the market cap over time, because as the market cap get bigger, investors will feel safer on using this actual stable coin as the backing gets larger, and will also help keep this stable coin more stable, as we just kind of took a look at in the details. And so let me know what you think about all this. I do think these two pieces of news are definitely, positive catalysts for the Tron ecosystem, and also with the USDD being launched and also being used through the BitTorrent chain cross-chain, I also think this is a positive news catalyst as well for BitTorrent chain. And so definitely rocking with both of these projects. Been talking about these projects since early 2021. I'm still hodling both of these. Not financial advice. You got to do your own research, because crypto, technically, it is a solo sport, and so you got to make that call for yourself. Do your own due diligence. I'm just putting this information here for you to hopefully help cut the learning curve as you do your own due diligence. So if you gain some value, smash the like button, comment, subscribe, share this video out, and I will see you on the next one.